This crude contraption will allow you to transport the remains of our master.
Can you not simply raise the remains when we find them?
Pardon, Lord, but a being of Kel'Thuzad's power can only be reanimated at a nexus of powerful ley energies, and there are no such places in this land.
Very well then. Let's move out. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. What is it now? Speak, fool. No one
Arthas! Stop this madness before it's too late!
Stand aside, brother. I've come to collect some old bones and I don't wish to be disturbed. What is it now? Tread lightly. Frostmourne hungers.
I can't believe that we ever called you brother. I knew it was a mistake to accept a spoiled prince into our order. You've made a mockery of the Silver Hand.
Speak, fool. Now, Frostmourne. Tread lightly. What is it now? Speak, fool. This is more like it. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. Speak, fool. What is it now? Faithless coward. No one orders me around. Come along now, Necromancer. The powers that you once served have need of you again.
Told you, my death would mean little.
What the? Am I hearing ghosts now?
It is I, Kel'Thuzad. I was right about you, Prince Arthas.
It took you long enough. These remains are badly decomposed. They will never survive the trip to Quel'Thalas.
Quel'Thalas?
Yes. Only the energies of the High Elves' Sunwell can bring Kel'Thuzad back to life.
Then what must be done?
You must steal a very special urn from the Paladin's keeping. Place the Necromancer's remains within it, and he will be well protected for the journey.
As you wish. Speak, fool.
Where shall my blood be spilled? I gladly obey. My fate is sealed.
First, the undead must haunt the gold mine before the acolytes can begin harvesting gold.
Thy will be done.
Frostmourne hungers.
Summoning
now?
is complete.
I must feast on souls.
Our town is under attack.
No one orders me around.
Our forces are under attack.
I grow tired of waiting.
What is it now? Tread lightly. Speak, fool. Tread lightly.
Research complete.
What is it now? Ah, at last. Frostmourne hungers. Your pain shall be legendary. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it.
Summoning is complete. Where shall my blood be spilled?
Must be.
What is it now? Speak, fool. Upgrade complete. Tread lightly. Frostmourne hungers. Ah, at last.
Must be.
Tread lightly.
Where shall my blood be spilled? I cannot summon there. Thy will be done.
What is it now?
Must be.
Speak, fool. Finally. Tread lightly. No one orders me around. What the hell is that? What is it now? No one orders me around. What is it now? Upgrade complete. Ah, at last. This is more like it.
Must be.
Upgrade complete. Speak, fool. What is it now?
Summoning is complete.
No one orders me around. Frostmourne hungers.
Vile betrayer! You are not fit enough to even carry your father's name! Why Uther ever vouched for you is beyond me. You've stripped him of his honor by casting yours to the winds. You deserve a gruesome death, boy.
Lightly.
Upgrade complete.
Tread lightly. What
Summoning
is it now?
is complete. Summoning is complete.
Speak, fool. Finally. Ah, at last. This is more like it.
Light have mercy on you. Your betrayal has broken Uther's heart, boy. He would have given his life for yours in a second. And this is how you repay his loyalty?
No one orders me around. Speak, fool.
Must be.
Tread lightly.
Your father ruled this land for 70 years, and you've ground it to dust in a matter of days.
Very dramatic, Uther. Give me the urn, and I'll make sure you die quickly.
The urn holds your father's ashes, Arthas. What, were you hoping to piss on them one last time before you left his kingdom to rot?
I didn't know what it held. Nor does it matter. I'll take what I came for one way or another. Upgrade complete. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. Ah, at last. This is more like it.
I dearly hope that there's a special place in hell waiting for you, Arthas.
We may never know, Uther. I intend to live forever. What is it now? What is it now? Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it. Ah, at last.
Excellent work. Now your journey to Quell Thalas can begin.
Tell him nothing. Only you can hear me. The Dreadlords cannot be trusted. They are the Lich King's jailers. I will tell you all when I walk this world again.